Angels and stars, hear 'em on the radio, got 'em on the stereo. Angels and stars, reaching too far, listening to radical. Now we need a miracle, yeah.
Eric Turner, Ishi, Tiny, Lupe Fiasco, let's go.
Lupe in the lead, starring as a star in the movie by the king. From the trailer to the credits, I believe we've made an epic. Eric is into everything we've ever dreamed. Hella dope, angels on my shoulder said it so. Gave it 2 feathers up, but you gon' need a telescope. Yeah, to see these stars on the track, I call it Hollywood Boulevard on attack.
Look to the skies, diamonds in the starlight, written in the dark night. Oh Lord, the truth will arise. Listening just feels right. Careful with the spotlight. Angels and stars, angels and stars. Hear 'em on the radio, got 'em on the stereo. Reaching too far, listening to radicals. Now we need a miracle, yeah.
I'm trying to hold on to morals and be virtuous, shit. I know I ain't perfect. Every week mommy tell me to come and worship, and I be acting like I don't know where the church is. Top down, gazing at angels, ashamed of the way that the fame can just change you. First they want a picture of you, now they trying to frame you. When you need a miracle, who will be there to save you?
Tired of being sold, day in, day out. Pray for me, mama, turning up. Tired of these walls, pay off. Tired of being slaves to angels and stars. Angels and stars, hear 'em on the radio, got 'em on the stereo. Reaching too far, listening to radicals. Now we need a miracle, yeah. I look to the skies, diamonds in the starlight, written in the stars, right? Angels and stars, angels and stars, angels and stars, angels and stars.
try to front on the God. I have your body jerking and shaking, baking right in front of your moms, cause I'm a boss. Might scream it out to piss you off. First dude try to cross and I'm chipping his jaw. Gripping the 4, 5th whipping the Porsche. Shifting of course, sit with the Moors. Rocking Christian Dior, I blends in. Fly style PA, combine rhyme CA. Style for the crunkin' clown dances. Ayy, turn the heat up, ayy, turn the beat up. My team is undefeated, it ain't no way to beat us. Baby, so blaze the Chiba while I make believers make allegiance. Prepare for war as I paint my features. Rocking lasers and creases, legions my new releases. I'm in the streets with a group of troopers with basic teachings. With a group of groupies to make it even. Straight out the Golden State, we holding cake and
Who wanna get bucked? Who wanna get drowned out? You don't wanna thump? Man, it's going down now. This is what they want. Fly Styles PA, straight from the CA. Now what we wanna do is make you wanna like a nut. Who wanna get drowned out? You don't wanna thump? Man, it's going down now. This is what they want. Fly Styles PA, straight from the CA. Now what we wanna do is make you act like
it's
a
the
nut.
B-O-double-S. Who want stress? What I got is government make niggas rock double vest. Poppy, you not me. I got the lock and key. Hip hop is me. Put the mic down, Holmes, just cop a key. Leave the shit to me, mention me not. Cause on scales, thermometers, they get eventually hot until they pop. I got them all wheezing and thizzing. Believe what I'm spitting. We will bring you the business.
So bear witness to the newest and truest addition to the hip-hop religion. For you sucker duck stool pigeons, planet Asia. Fly Styles all the way from Fresno, Cal to the RICHMOND. Follow me now. Wow, ill ain't it how my face painted. My soul is stainless. In the middle of the hood I'm remaining. These streets drive me insane, but I buck, hop and stomp just to maintain.
Who wanna get bucked?
Who wanna get drowned out? You don't wanna thump? Man, it's going down now. This is what they want. Fly Styles PA, straight from the CA. Now what we wanna do is make you act like a nut. Buckets fuck like a ball head nut. Let it spray out the gauge from the tinted black truck. Out the way of the strays as your dog dip duck. We'll stress you under pressure, baby. Wanna test your luck? Break up in the piece and expeditiously release the fury of a fucking beast. I rep the street to say the least. And if you try to speak your piece, they'll have to glue your piece by piece back together. That's whatever. I left them severed in the street. Man, I'm in a bad mood. Don't fuck with your kid, cause I kick you in your back till you look like a bridge. Shit, styles ferocious, atrocious grammar. I make the crowd act like they dance for Hammer. Fresno, Cali to the rich. You doubt it ain't that about a bitch. It's murder how we serving this street corner curb preserving. It's perkin'. Brown liquor, brown backwoods, that's good. Rise up, now you niggas know what's good. Who wanna get drowned out? You don't wanna thump? Man, it's going down now. This is what they want. Fly Styles PA, straight from the CA. Now what we wanna do is make you act like a nut. Who wanna get drowned out? You don't wanna thump? Man, it's going down now. This is what they want. Fly Styles PA, straight from the CA. Now what we wanna do is make you act like a nut.
It's like gold dust. You hear me coming through your speaker. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Gold dust. It's like gold dust. You hear me coming through your speakers. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Gold dust. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound. Chewing my rhyme, no listen good, you can't escape it. Bring up to my world and hold you, see if you can take it. Don't you be afraid, I know you're strong enough to make it. Go, go, go. It's like gold dust. Gold dust. It's like gold dust. You see me mashing up your airwaves. I know you can't get enough of my sound.
Something staring me down, and I can't help but feel it's coming from you. She's a gunshot bride, the triggered cries. I just wonder what we've gotten ourselves into. In a trail of fire, I know we will be free again. In the end, we will be one.
drop this? Can I fucking drop this? Drop it like this. Drop it like that. Dropping it. Drop it like this. Drop it like that. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast.
Dropping it to the field, coming out your speaker.
Dropping it, dropping it, dropping it, dropping it. Dropping it fast. Can I drop this? Can I fucking drop this? Drop it like this. Drop it like that. Dropping it. Drop it like this. Drop it like that. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast.
Dropping it to the field, coming out your speaker.
Dropping it, dropping it, dropping it, dropping it. This is how I drop it. This is how I drop it. This is how I drop it.
This is how I, this is how I, this is how this is
how I drop it. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you very much. Can I drop this? Can I fucking drop this? Drop it like this. Drop it like that. Dropping it. Drop it like this. Drop it like that. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast. Dropping it fast.
Dropping it to the field, coming out your speaker.
Dropping it, dropping it, dropping it, dropping it. Dropping it fast.
Ready for whatever? Hell yeah. What type nigga be a thug life nigga? Them thug life niggas be craziest. Run up nigga.
Remix. Keep thinking I'm candy. To your fucking school, getting popped in your ring, hop out the top, like Jack in the Box. In the hood, summertime is the killing season. It's hot out this bitch, that's a good enough reason. I see gangsters get religious when they start bleeding, saying, Lord Jesus help me, cause their ass leaking. When that window roll down and that AK come out, you can squeeze your little handgun till you run out. Then you can run for your backup. And the machine gun shells don't tear your back up. Guards on your side, shit, I'm alright with that. Cause we gon' reload them clips and come right back. It's a fact, homie, you go against me, fuck. I get dropped, you can duck your luck, yeah, the lady luck. Look, nigga, don't think you safe cause you moved out the hood. Cause your mama's still around, dog, and that ain't good. If you was smart, you be shook at me. Cause I get tired of looking for you, spray your mama crib and let your ass look for me. You mad? I thought that you be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life.
This is my life is based on sinning. I'm hell down. Rather be buried than be buried, living hell down.
Oh, you mad? I thought that you be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life.
It's a journey through my mind's eye. You toast the game, don't explain, nigga. nigga, time to die. Say goodbye, watch my eyes when I pull the trigger. So right before you die, you bow before a bigger nigga. Now dry your eyes, you was heartless on your hits. Niggas love to scream peace after they start some shit. Pay attention, here's a word to those that rob me. I murder you, then I run a train on Mob Deep. Don't fuck with me, nigga, you barely living. Don't you got sickle cell? See me have a seizure on stage, you ain't feeling well. Hell, how many niggas wanna be involved? See, I was only talking to Biggie, but I'll kill all of y'all. Then ball, then tell the brats to keep her mouth closed. Fuck around and get tossed up by the fucking outlaws. Before I leave, make sure everybody heard. No, I meant every motherfucking word when we ride on our enemies.
I thought that you'd be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life.
My life is based on sinning, I'm hell bound. Rather be buried than be buried, living hell down.
Oh, you mad? I thought that you'd be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life. It's like a throne that he don't even own. He won't sit down, give him a crown, he just throws it around. It's like a joke, he's like a king, but he don't rule a thing. You don't want the diamonds, want the gold, don't want the jewelry. You don't want the ring, don't want the loot, he's in it for the sport. Running circles round his competition on the court. He appreciates your support, but he ain't begging for it. And you can love it, you can hate it, but you can't ignore it. You can't be that ignorant, so you can try to sell him short. But you can't fuck with his last joint or the one before it. And he was born to raise hell like them country boys. And if I'm frontin', then you better come confront me for it. Oh, you mad? I thought that you'd be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life.
Since my life is based on sinning, I'm hell bound. Rather be buried than be buried, living hell down.
Oh, you mad? I thought that you'd be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life.
Yeah, yeah. Now you gotta ask yourself, was you ready for that shit? Was you ready for it? Was you ready for that shit? Yeah, get on it. It's hot fire. Yeah, it's the general. That's right. On the Raph remix, bitch.
if we can't be at peace. Pull the trigger, we are hearts under fire, and we hold our grudges if we can't just release. Run for cover, we are hearts under fire, and we're going under if we can't be at peace. Pull the trigger, we are hearts under fire, and we hold our grudges if we can't just release. The tension and the sights in between our eyes. The barrel is tearing your blind eye down now. Run for cover, we are hearts under fire, and we're going under if we can't be at peace. Pull the trigger, we are hearts under fire, and we hold our grudges if we can't just release.
See, that's how you know you made it. When you hear that applause. I wanna thank y'all.
Some niggas flip soft and some flip hard. Some niggas trapped up north and some flip bars. So get yours. No matter who you are, get yours. My nigga reach for the stars. Some niggas play ball and some break laws. Some niggas live for the moment, some die for the cause. But get yours. In the midst of it all, get yours. So you hear the applause.
I kick that pure D for he who sick and has an itch and needs that raw heat. Hardcore street shit that make you twitch. Call me Lord G. My speech can make computers glitch cause I'm pure E. N-E-R-G, why and I spits like a cobra. I throw my each bars like a solar. Pulsing is so bright, I make you like Mumra. Wielding my flow like a pole light, swinging on all y'all. Throw my, your rights have just been stolen like Angola. I flow from my windpipe, vibrating, shaking like sonar. Damn it, I'm so hyped that I'm baking, taking my clothes off, about to go off. Fuck what a nigga say, go hard, pull the trigger. Bombard you with drips of rain as big as trains. This is my year, I guess it's obvious cause I'm here, projecting ideas, smoking salvia with my peers, collecting my tears and sweat, mix them in the pot, cook them up, put it on the block and pitch it till I'm hot.
Some niggas flip soft and some flip hard. Some niggas trapped up north and some flip bars. So get yours. No matter who you are, get yours. My nigga reach for the stars. Some niggas play ball and some break laws. Some niggas live for the moment, some die for the cause. But get yours. In the midst of it all, get yours. So you hear the applause.
The crowd's clapping, how they acting got me asking how this happened. Look at how they reacting, Getty, fuck it, keep rapping. Trust me, the streets got you, crushing your beat, they pass you, bust your heat. If you stuck in the beast, trapped in the bathroom with your back on the wall, clashing with the law, fuck that, swing back, nigga, you have to go for yours. Soon as the crowd roars, you know your destiny's called. In the rapture, certain attributes progress and evolve. Stop bitching in your prayers, start stripping through the layers. Homie, listen to your heart. Nigga, listen like you hearing Dolby 5.1. Take your time, don't run. Pump your white dope guns and crack it. 5-0 come. Just do the ditty, it ain't pretty how we got those ones. My kids are doing bids and OG Cat spoke once. Told me discipline's the key to getting past your slump. Use your power not to focus on what you don't want. Some niggas flip soft and some flip hard. Some niggas trapped up north and some flip bars. So get yours. No matter who you are, get yours. My nigga reach for the stars. Some niggas play ball and some break laws. Some niggas live for the moment, some die for the cause. But get yours. In the midst of it all, get yours. So you hear the applause.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars. Somebody once asked, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yeah, what a concept. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use a little change. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I'll hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Ready, set, go.
it's not my problem. Woo! Well, I feel heavy metal, and I breathe that I need a woo. Well, I'm lying on lazy all of the time. I'm never sure why I need you. Please let me down.
Mike Shinoda. The group is called Fort Minor. The album is called The Rising Tide. In stores November 22, 2005. Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Todd's picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be within, rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with Shinoda's taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, Styles of Beyond, Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
let's go ahead and do what's this stuff, my nigga? You think I'm gonna talk to nigga?
Cleveland to LA, nigga. Whatever you niggas want, swing it. What time is it? I don't give a fuck where you lay at, nigga. It's time to slay these bitch made niggas. They ain't even knowing what type of niggas we is. Where my thugs at? Bone Thugs in Harmony. I know you niggas been waiting for this for a long time. Well, here it is, nigga. Here it is. What you gonna do?
Well, I must be close to the Armageddon, Lord. No, that won't fly by that dancing. You taught me to pull out my wares and you brought me. And all my stressing and softly. Get them up off me, cause all one of us harming and been bombing. If you're bad about ghetto, I would settle. Get on my level, they can't stop me and pop me. Nigga, they got me fucked up. Little pockets get too ready, let's ready. Get dead and shout out. Talk about it, make you feel. I really wanna get the gun and I wanna end up jump. I'm gonna set a beat, yeah, I shut them all down. So quick and death, full of gas, to clear war, roll, when they get the door, roll, the bird, I'm a horror. When I do this on board, with the calls and and I'm pulling out a pistol, little nigga with mine. Fucking niggas is on. Oh, you're a poor busy, get the bitch to the test, cause that's the floor, and then nigga test to arrest me, stress me, all looking to death for the last of my breath. And I'm out of my kids, but I'm seeing in my step. Yes, I'm fucking this kept, it's the best of my secrets. Even the leaves of a little nigga, believe it, I can see it if you didn't, if you really with me, you wouldn't let me get the reason, you never ever clean. And let's pop it, man.
Motherfucking hands in your strap, man. Yeah, let me do this like gangsters. Let it out, do this like punks and punkin' that. Pull your strap on me, nigga, you better kill. Thug life, baby. I'll probably be punished for hard living. Blind to the facts. Thugs is convicts in God's prison. hands on the strap, praying so Father, please forgive me. Police be rushing when they see me, I flaunt it. America's most wanted, live on TV like pleasure and pain. Stuck in this game, holler my name. We all gonna die, we bleed through similar veins. Please explain to me now, don't panic when my guns burst. You heard the last jam, nigga, this one's worse. My nigga Bone held the chrome till I came home. Thug love player, tell these bitch niggas bring it on. I caught a plane out to Cleveland late last evening to help my niggas clean up some niggas no longer breathing there. Who do you believe in? Hit the weed and breathe. It's a cold ass world, niggas. Kill you in your sleep, watch me until they stop me, bury, murder me or drop me. I got thug love for my nation while I posse for me. Run with us, run with us, run with us, fucking rip with thug love. Run with us, run with us, run with us, run with us, fucking rip with thug love.
Little girl from the left, nigga never rain. Motherfuckers out to give me, they don't understand. It's the number one nigga right with the next to the nigga. Down to put us some work, niggas some dirt, fucking around with the bad bone. Bills in harmony, follow down the road, we stroll to meet karma. Everything I do was seem to call drama. Ready for the war like a knight in my armor. Bomb ya, so quick to test us. Nigga wanna press me, eat dust. For the love of the lust, niggas buzzing on us. Hit him up with the buck plug, AG rough. It's my art of war. Little niggas on the floor when I'm coming through the door, bringing nothing but a terror. Causing much pain to the nigga that dead. Trying to put a twist in his thugs to air a better. When a nigga like pocket, a nigga like me gotta stay high. Thug love to the die, keep a prep to the sky. Put a field in the hood, smoke and fry. So I thank the Lord to save us all. Escape us of misery. Bless my niggas in penitentiary, soldiers of the century. Yeah,
they get it up a nigga, then they get down. Down with the dirty, we don't fuck around. Brothers couple around, and then they pass until they hit the ground. And then they call up in the crossfire, nigga. Artillery dick, and you don't wanna get the fucking with this. And straight devil, not the fucking with trick. I reload, fucking little mo. Be the slave for the punk, don't even know. So who they looking for? They don't know. I'm motherfucker with a leather face. Hey, man, she said I ran this way, said I ran that way. Your hoes will never know because I got away. Yeah, a criminal mind to keep a nigga on the level sometimes. I get high and analyze your crime. Correctly organized, so should be surprised.
Niggas in the vibe, we can rap, play, hey niggas, you got to die. It's only right. Summer went gone, better leave it alone. No thug, them crack, they fucking don't. Still in the hood when the thugs play. Fucking with nothing but thugs, man. Ain't taking no shots and no losses, we cracking them down around my way. Give it to him on another nigga, get a shovel, you can dig a whole bitches is dead. If a red take a head, you can beg, you can flay, but still gon' be bloody red. Fuck a mind that we seen in the moonlight. We all right for you, for you. Better run for thug, a nigga dub. We bout to bust straight. You can red, put it on his forehead, make some moves and try to his home. With a card and a motherfucker similar to his mouth, tell that he was dead wrong, dead wrong. No, now we wrong, 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 wrong.
Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling.
Give a little speed to a great white shark on shark. We rise, wanna go up, gone. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer now. I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people now. Sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands. This is our party. We came here to live life.